Hello. Welcome, dear creator, dreamer, and maker. Before we begin this journey, take a gentle second to subscribe to the channel and become part of a growing family that believes beauty doesn't have to be new, expensive, or wasteful. Every subscription helps this creative space grow, and every like tells the world that thoughtful, sustainable design truly matters. Here, we celebrate hands-on creativity, honest materials, and the quiet magic that happens when forgotten scraps are given a second life. So settle in, feel inspired, and let's explore how reclaimed wood and metal can be transformed with purpose into artistic home decor and profitable crafts that speak to both the heart and the future. Reclaimed materials carry stories long before they ever reach our hands, and that is what makes working with scrap wood and metal so deeply meaningful. A weathered plank once held up a roof, a rusted steel bar may have supported a factory floor, and now these pieces wait patiently to be noticed again. When we bring them into our workshops, we are not just crafting objects, we are continuing a narrative. The cracks, knots, dents, and patina are not flaws to hide, but features to celebrate, because they offer authenticity that mass-produced decor can never replicate. In a world flooded with factory perfection, handmade reclaimed decor stands out precisely because it feels real, grounded, and honest. Artistic home decor from scrap materials begins with learning to see potential where others see waste. A pile of broken pallets becomes lead wall art, floating shelves, or minimalist coffee tables. Bent metal rods evolve into sculptural candle holders, industrial-style lamps, or functional coat racks. The creative process is not about forcing materials into a design, but listening to what they suggest. The grain of old wood might guide the direction of a wall panel, while the curve of salvaged metal may naturally form the base of a table, or the frame of a mirror. This intuitive approach leads to designs that feel organic and visually balanced, even before any finishing touches are applied. Beyond beauty, reclaimed decor carries purpose, and purpose is what modern audiences are searching for. People today want homes that reflect their values, and sustainability has become a powerful statement. When you create decor from scrap wood and metal, you are offering more than an object, you are offering a story of responsibility, creativity, and care for the environment. Each piece represents fewer materials sent to landfills and less demand for newly harvested resources. This ethical dimension adds emotional value, making customers feel connected to the item and proud to display it in their space. From a practical perspective, working with scrap materials opens the door to profitable crafting with low startup costs. Unlike traditional woodworking or metalworking that requires expensive raw materials, reclaimed projects often begin with items sourced cheaply or even for free. Construction leftovers, old furniture, broken tools, and industrial offcuts can be collected locally, reducing expenses while increasing uniqueness. Profit doesn't come from cutting corners, but from thoughtful design, quality craftsmanship, and the ability to turn overlooked materials into functional art that people are eager to buy. The artistic side of reclaimed decor thrives on contrast. Wood brings warmth, texture, and softness, while metal adds strength, structure, and a modern edge. Together, they create visual harmony that fits beautifully into contemporary, rustic, industrial, and minimalist interiors. A reclaimed wood tabletop paired with welded steel legs instantly feels timeless. A wooden wall panel framed in raw metal transforms a plain wall into a focal point. This balance of natural and industrial elements allows your designs to appeal to a wide audience without losing character. Finishing plays a crucial role in elevating scrap materials into high-end decor. Gentle sanding reveals hidden grain patterns, while natural oils enhance warmth without masking age. For metal, cleaning and sealing rust can preserve its industrial charm while ensuring durability. The goal is not to erase history, but to protect it. When finished thoughtfully, reclaimed pieces feel refined yet soulful, bridging the gap between rugged origins and modern living spaces. As you build skills and confidence, your projects can evolve from simple decor into functional statement pieces. Wall-mounted shelves, entryway organizers, desks, stools, lighting fixtures, and planters are all highly desirable items when crafted with intention. Each successful piece teaches valuable lessons about proportion, balance, and durability. Over time, your design language becomes recognizable, and that consistency is what turns crafting into a sustainable business rather than a hobby. Storytelling is one of the most powerful tools when selling reclaimed crafts. Sharing where materials came from, how they were transformed, and why certain design choices were made creates emotional connection. Customers don't just buy a product, they buy meaning. A lamp made from scrap metal becomes more special when people know it once belonged to an old workshop. A shelf built from reclaimed wood feels warmer when its past is honored rather than hidden. This narrative approach increases perceived value and builds trust. Artistic growth also comes from experimentation. Not every idea will succeed, but every attempt adds experience. Mixing finishes, exploring new forms, and combining different types of reclaimed materials helps refine your creative voice. Over time, mistakes become design features, and unexpected results often lead to the most memorable pieces. This freedom to explore without high material costs makes scrap-based crafting incredibly rewarding and accessible. Community plays an important role in this journey. Makers who share techniques, challenges, and inspiration create a supportive environment that fuels creativity. Learning from others' processes, while staying true to your own vision, encourages growth without comparison. When people see genuine passion behind your work, they respond with loyalty and appreciation. This sense of shared purpose transforms individual projects into part of a larger movement toward mindful living. As demand for sustainable decor continues to rise, reclaimed wood and metal crafts are positioned at the intersection of art, function, and responsibility. They align with modern values while offering timeless appeal. Homes filled with such pieces feel lived in, intentional, and deeply personal. Each object becomes a quiet reminder that beauty can be created without excess, and that creativity thrives when guided by respect for materials. Turning reclaimed decor into a profitable path requires patience, consistency, and pride in craftsmanship. Quality should always lead the process, because trust is built through durability and attention to detail. When people invest in handmade pieces, they expect them to last, and delivering on that promise strengthens your reputation. Over time, your work becomes known not only for aesthetics, but for integrity. The true reward of working with scrap, wood and metal lies beyond profit. It's found in the moment a discarded piece transforms under your hands, in the satisfaction of creating something meaningful from what was once ignored, and in the knowledge that your work contributes positively to the world. Every project reinforces the idea that creativity can be both beautiful and responsible. As we come to the end of this journey, remember that reclaimed materials are more than supplies, they are partners in the creative process. Treat them with curiosity, respect, and imagination, and they will continue to inspire endless possibilities. If this vision of purposeful creation resonates with you, stay connected, keep learning, and keep crafting with intention. Together, we can turn forgotten scraps into lasting art, meaningful income, and homes filled with warmth, character, and soul. Thank you for being here, for supporting thoughtful creativity, and for choosing to see potential where others see waste. Until next time, keep creating with purpose.